Hi guys, Khushal Kumar here, and this is part 24 of my C programming language tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna be learning about one-dimensional arrays, so let's get started. Let's say we want to save the ages of different people. Let's say there are 10 people, right? So you can make 10 variables for that and thus save their ages in those variables. But in case you want to save 100 or maybe 1000 people's ages, then you can't make 100 or 1000 variables, right? All of your time will be gone in creating those variables and giving them values. So instead of that, what we do is we create an array where we will have only one name, age, and all of those variables will be saved. It could be 100,000 or any number of values. Those values will be saved in the same array called age, right? And you can give the size of the array here, like if you want to save 10 values, then you give size 10 here, right? So this is how you declare an array. This right here is the subscript, and if you give one more here, this will become two-dimensional array, and that we will talk about in the next video. As you can see here, this is how one-dimensional array is stored in the memory. We have taken the name of the array as ARR here, and previously what we did is, let's say we had an int var, right? So what we did is we will give a value of, let's say, 4, and this will be stored in this memory location here depicted by a block, right? When these blocks are joined together, we get an array, right? So this can have values like, if it's an integer array, this can have values like 4, 5, 7, 9, so on. As we know that it can save a lot of values, so how do we denote those values? So this subscript here will denote each of the values separately. The name will remain same, but this subscript will change. For the first one, it's ARR0, right? And for the last one, it's ARRN minus 1. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 1 gives 5. So the subscript starts with 0 and ends at n minus 1. This is how you denote different values in the array. So let's quickly create a program to understand how array works. Let's create a for loop int I equals to 0, I is less than 10, and I plus plus. What we are going to do is we are going to let user put in all the values in the array. So we will print that enter the value for array %d, and that %d will be I, and then we will scan the values %d and then ampersand age I. And after taking all the values from the user, what we will do is, so this I, what this I does is the loop will keep incrementing I from 0 to 9. So that way we will have the values age 0, then age 1, then age 2, and so on till age 9. In order to print it, we will do the same thing. I is less than 10, I plus plus, and now we will print it on the screen. Ages of different people are %d, and then we'll have a tab age I think I should put I outside, because if I declare I here, then this loop will not be able to use it, right? So let's now try to run it. Let's quickly give the values to this. As you can see, ages of different people are, I think I should have this outside. Enter the values for each array element. As you can see, ages of different people are as we give here. So that's how array works. I hope you understood at least some basics of how array works. If you have any questions, you can always put them in the comment section below. And to know more about arrays and to get this code, you can find that in the description below. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.